Welcome to my new video. Today's topic: Unlocking your potential, 5 tips to achieve success in learning and life. Start now. Start with a quick overview of why learning and growth are key to achieving personal and professional success. Mention how these tips can help them reach their full potential. Tip 1. Embrace a growth mindset. Explain how having a growth mindset can change their approach to challenges. Share a quick story about a well-known figure who transformed failure into success. J.K. Rowling's journey before Harry Potter. Tip 2. Set smart goals. Walk viewers through creating specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. Emphasize the power of small steps leading to big achievements. Tip 3. Develop effective study habits. Provide tips on setting up a productive study environment, time management, and using tools like the Pomodoro technique. Include a statistic about the benefits of structured learning. Tip 4. Cultivate resilience. Discuss how resilience can help people bounce back from setbacks. Share a story about a person who succeeded despite obstacles. Oprah Winfrey or Steve Jobs. Tip 5. Celebrate progress, not just perfection. Encourage viewers to acknowledge their progress, however small, as it keeps them motivated to continue learning. So, you need a call to action. Wrap up by reminding viewers that learning is a journey. Invite them to subscribe for more motivational content, and encourage them to share one of their own educational goals in the comments. This structure gives viewers actionable steps, while keeping them engaged and motivated to continue their learning journey. Let me know if you'd like any adjustments. Thanks for watching video. And wait for next video. Bye.